You might be using a CPA network just to get paid $2 or so for bringing a lead. I'd say stop. Take a look at this platform that is going to pay 40% commission per lead. It can be anywhere from $19 to $55 that you can make. But there are also high-paying offers as well. We have a $3 CPL offer, 40% again, then a $30 CPA offer, and more. I'll show you each and everything step by step, so make sure to watch this video to the end without skipping any part. So I'll leave the website link in the description below, and once you click the link it'll take you to this page, which is the main website that we'll be using today to start making money. But before we move on, I want you to drop a simple like to this video coming videos. So the website is called BizzOffers, and once again you'll find the link in the description below. So BizzOffers is a platform where you'll find different apps and software, like parental control, health tracker, phone tracker, and many more high-demand SaaS products you'll find that you can promote and make money for sending leads to those apps. And the best part is that you can target any type of audience, such as parents, couples, or individuals seeking a healthy lifestyle to manage their weight, sleep, and exercise. So the process is simple. You just want to create an account first, and then choose a product that you want to promote, then share with any traffic source whether it's free or paid, and get paid for each user who buys the product through your link. So first of all you want to click this button Join Now. Then fill out this simple form by entering your full name. Then here it's asking to enter a website URL or a brand name, so you can put any of your social media links like Instagram or Pinterest, it doesn't matter. Then you can skip this field which is optional. You want to enter your email address, then set a strong password to both of these fields, and you want to click on Next. Then you'll choose here a niche, or just choose all. Then traffic source you can choose multiple answers here, or just choose social media. Then in the promoted regions field I would say choose all of these, so that you can promote in any region. Then choose a payment method here. You can get paid via PayPal, Payoneer, or Wire. And then enter your Telegram, Messenger, or email for communication purposes. You may need to talk to them for help or any assistance. And after filling out all the fields, you just want to click this confirm button to complete the sign-up process. Then wait a little bit to get your account approved. And once your account gets approved, you'll get an email with access to your account. So once you log into your account, then this is how you'll see the dashboard. Since it's a brand new account, so of course everything will be zero. But once you start sending traffic and getting leads, these statistics will change. So let me show you where we can find all the different offers, and how we can pick an offer to start driving traffic. So you want to head over to Products, then click on All Products. So here you'll find all the different products with details. Let's say the first product is called M-Spy, but we don't know what this product is about, and we can know that by reading this little description. We can see it's a leading parental control solution that allows parents to see their kids' activities on gadgets. Then we can see a list of top countries where this offer is performing well. Then we can see payment models and restrictions. So if you have some audience on a social platform and you want to share with them, make sure to read the description to see whether it's relevant to your audience or not, so you can get a higher conversion rate. If you click on the product guide, you'll get more details about the offer, including traffic volume, keywords, promotion channels, conversion flow, and more. As you scroll down further, you'll find the audience segments, which are especially helpful when running paid ads. So let's go back to the page, and click this button Check Offers. So we can see the offer will pay a 40% commission on the sale, and the model of the payout is revenue share. If you look closely here, then you can see they explained how their commission model works. If an offer has a CPA commission model, then you'll be paid a fixed amount for every purchase made through your affiliate link. Or if the offer has the CPL model, then you'll get a fixed amount just for bringing valid leads. Or if the offer has the revenue share model, then you'll be paid a percentage of the amount on the sale, just as this offer. So you can either click this action button to grab your affiliate link, or you can head over to my live offers under products, and you'll find all the offers that are currently approved for you. If you want to get more offers approved, feel free to reach out to your manager. So now we can click on the offer to grab our affiliate link, and this is the link that you'll use to send traffic. You can add additional tracking parameters to the link. This will help to set up tracking for each variable, and allow you to analyze and optimize campaign results. So let's say we want to track the traffic source. You'll add the name of the traffic source here, which could be Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram. So I'll type Google as an example and click Add. Now if you want to send people to a different language landing page, you can click here to access all the landing pages available in various languages. Then choose a landing page here. You can also preview it. You can add a banner to Impression Pixel to track metrics. You can even create your own creatives, such as text, banners, and videos. Or you can head over to Resources, and you can use these creatives for your promotion. So once your affiliate link is ready, then just take a copy of the link by clicking this button Copy Link, and start driving traffic to it. And one of the best ways to drive traffic is through blog posts or articles. You can write a review or comparison article about the software, and publish it on a website like Medium or Vocal Media. You can use SEO Writing AI or ChatGPT to write the article. Then simply copy and paste the article, mention the software in the middle of the post, then link your affiliate link with it, and make it publish. Or if you already have some traffic, then go ahead and share with them as well. And once you start getting traffic and leads, you can head over to Reports, and you can check performance reports and conversion reports in detail. And lastly, make sure you go to the billing page, and add your payment detail right here. You can use PayPal, Payoneer, or Wire to get paid. Once you get a lead or a conversion, BizzOffers provides a short hold period of 2 weeks to verify the transaction. If the transaction is successfully verified, the commission will be credited to your account. So go ahead and start your money-making journey with BizzOffers. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced marketer, BizzOffers is for everyone and it's easy to get started. And I hope you guys learned something valuable today. Make sure to drop a simple like to this video, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you soon.